Welcome to Food Fanatix. In this video, we'll be showing you how to make soft lemon cookies. 70 grams of softened butter, 100 grams of caster sugar, and zest of 2 lemons. Once combined, add 1 egg, half teaspoon yellow food color, and mix well. Add 1 tablespoon lemon juice and 1 teaspoon lemon essence. Add 150 grams of plain flour, 1 teaspoon baking powder, 1/4 teaspoon salt, and mix well. To get equal cookies, scoop the mixture. Make them round with lightly floured hands as the batter is lightly sticky. And place on a baking tray. Freeze for 30 minutes. Bake in a preheated oven at 180 degrees for 12 to 13 minutes. Let the cookies cool completely. Once cool, coat in icing sugar.